Want to know the fastest way to make money online? You're in luck. Today we're going to explore the quickest and most effective strategies to generate income on the internet. No gimmicks, no fluff, just proven methods that can turn your digital presence into a money-making machine. We're going to make sense of the vast online landscape, breaking it down into manageable steps. So if you're ready for a journey that could potentially change your financial trajectory, buckle up as we dive into the world of online money-making. First, let's understand what making money online really means. At its core, it's about leveraging the internet to generate income. This can be done through a wide variety of means, each with its own unique advantages and challenges. Some people might create and sell their own products or services, while others might make income through advertising or sponsorships on their blog or YouTube channel. There are also online marketplaces where you can sell handmade crafts or secondhand items, or freelance platforms where you can offer your skills to clients worldwide. Importantly, the method you choose should align with your personal skills, interests, and goals. For example, if you're a skilled writer, you might choose to make money by starting a blog or writing ebooks. If you're a savvy shopper, you might turn to online reselling. Now that we've established what online money-making is, let's discuss the fastest way to do it. The fastest way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing, you ask? Well, it's a type of performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Essentially, you, as the affiliate, are the middleman between a consumer and a product. The process is pretty straightforward. You promote a product or service on your platform, whether it's a blog, a website, or a social media account. When someone clicks on your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting a finder's fee for introducing a customer to a product. One of the significant benefits of affiliate marketing is its low startup cost. You don't need to create your product or invest in inventory. Your main investment is your time and effort in promoting the product. Additionally, you can work from anywhere and at any time, offering you the flexibility that traditional jobs often don't provide. The potential earnings from affiliate marketing can be substantial. The amount you earn depends on the product you're promoting and the commission rate. Some businesses offer commissions as high as 50% or even more. Therefore, if you're promoting a product that costs $100 and the commission rate is 50%, you earn $50 for every sale made through your link. However, it's important to note that success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and patience. But with the right approach, such as choosing the right products, understanding your audience, and using effective promotion strategies, the rewards can be significant. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative online money-making strategy, offering the potential for substantial earnings without the need for a large initial investment. It's a strategy that has made many people successful online entrepreneurs. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can be your ticket to fast online earnings. Now, you may be wondering, how do I start affiliate marketing? Well, it's not as daunting as it may seem. Let's break down the process into 4 easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, you need to choose a product or service that you want to promote. This should ideally be something you're passionate about or at least have some knowledge of. You see, enthusiasm shines through and can be the difference between a sale and a pass. So, go ahead and dive into research. Look for a product or service that resonates with you and also has a good market demand. Remember, the key is to find the right balance between your interest and market viability. The second step is to create a platform. This could be a blog, a website, a YouTube channel, or even a social media page. The choice of platform largely depends on where your target audience is most active. If they're more likely to read blogs, then a blog would be a great option. If they're constantly scrolling through Instagram, then a dedicated Instagram page might be the way to go. The aim is to create a space where you can share valuable content about the product or service you're promoting, and subtly nudge your audience towards making a purchase. Now on to the third step. You've chosen a product, and you've set up your platform. It's time to promote the product. This is where creativity comes into play. Create engaging content that not only informs your audience about the product, but also compels them to take action. This could be anything from writing in-depth product reviews, to creating tutorial videos, to sharing personal experiences with the product. The more authentic and engaging your content, the higher the chances of your audience making a purchase. Finally, the fourth step. This is where all your hard work pays off. Every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. The more people you can convince to buy the product, the more money you make. Now, this process might seem simple on paper, but it requires dedication, patience, and consistency. You might not see results immediately, but don't let that discourage you. Keep refining your strategy, keep learning, and keep pushing forward. And remember, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can do it at your own pace in your own time from anywhere in the world. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to making money online faster than you thought possible. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight, but these tips can help speed up the process. Our first tip is choosing high-quality products. The products you promote reflect on your brand, so make sure they're ones you can stand behind. High-quality products tend to have lower return rates and higher customer satisfaction, which can lead to more commission for you in the long run. Remember, it's not just about making a quick sale, but building trust with your audience. This leads us to the second tip: building an audience. It's not enough to just have a platform. You need to have an audience that trusts you. This audience can be built through consistent engagement, providing value, and understanding their needs. Cultivating a loyal audience is like planting a seed. It might take time to grow, but once it does, it can bear fruit for a long time. Our third tip is creating valuable content. This is key to attracting and retaining your audience. Your content should be informative, engaging, and provide solutions to your audience's problems. This is where you can subtly incorporate your affiliate products. For instance, if you're writing a blog post on fitness, you could mention a protein powder you're an affiliate for, explaining why it's beneficial. The fourth tip is using effective promotion strategies. Promotion is crucial in affiliate marketing, but it has to be done right. Bombarding your audience with sales pitches can be off-putting. Instead, use a mix of organic and paid promotion, tailored to your audience's preferences. For example, if your audience is active on social media, create engaging posts that incorporate your affiliate links. If they prefer email, a well-crafted newsletter can work wonders. And finally, remember that affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and patience, but with determination and the right approach, it can become a significant income stream. With these tips, you can maximize your earnings from affiliate marketing and make money online faster. The world of online money-making is vast and full of opportunities. As we've journeyed together through this video, we've uncovered some important truths about this expansive realm. We've learned that the internet is not just a global marketplace, but a bustling city full of avenues for profit. We've delved into the concept of affiliate marketing, a pathway that is both accessible and lucrative, offering the potential for substantial income with the right approach and mindset. We've walked you through the steps to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, from identifying your niche to selecting your platform and promoting your affiliate products. We've also shared some invaluable tips for success, emphasizing the importance of patience, perseverance, and continual learning in this dynamic digital landscape. Affiliate marketing, as we've seen, is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business strategy that, when executed correctly, can become the fastest way to make money online. It's a journey that requires time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards can be well worth the investment. So as we wrap up this video, we urge you to take action. Don't just sit on the sidelines watching the digital world pass you by. Step into the game, harness the power of the internet, embrace the potential of affiliate marketing. Remember, the faster you start, the faster you'll see results. So what are you waiting for? Start your online money-making journey today.